In this tutorial, I'll show you how I'm going to convert this website with no HTTPS to a website that has HTTPS. As you can see, so let's go to the WP-admin, which is the dashboard. As you can see, the HTTPS is not working here too. So that's cleared. Let's go ASAP. So now what we have to do is to go under the plugin, add new. So we have to add new plugin. I just press the control and select the button, so it's going to open a new tab. In another tab, I open my cPanel, so you can also do that also. So let's go back into the plugin area. We have many ways of doing it, you know. So you can use this, or you can come to your cPanel here if you are using all these hosts of nowadays. So they have a way. Oh, okay, I'm out. So let me relog in again, close this tab, and quickly show you this app. So I'm in back. So if you have access, like your host is giving you, so you just have to press the synchronize button, then the SSL is working. If not, then you can follow this to get free SSL. So you just have to input WP encrypt inside this search bar. So it's going to automatically search for the plugin for you, WP encrypt. So this is the one specifically, WP encrypt. You press the install button. After a while, it's going to load, and you press the activate button. Just follow my step. I'm going to provide a link to this plugin for you in the description below. So you can, let's select the free plan. So, but you can also take the pro plan. It's not that expensive, but I'm using the free plan for this example. So let's scroll down a bit, and we select the generate SSL, unmark this because we don't want them to keep giving us email. We agree to the terms, and we press the generate SSL. As you can see, it's easy to follow if you are following me via anything, so it's not that hard. So after that, we proceed to some other things. So they want us to verify if we truly own this domain. So we have option 1 and option 2. So option 1 is to upload these files, these two files. Then the option 2 is to use the DNS. I prefer the 2 though, so but let's try the 1 first. So I've downloaded the file. Let's go into my file manager. We go under the public-html, which is like underscore. So let's check what the instructor said. Instructor said we should create a folder for this, okay, inside our public-html. So we go onto create new folder. Let's paste it there. Then we've done that. Okay, what's the next thing? Okay, Acme challenge. Okay, we create another folder inside that first folder. Let's do that also, guys. So okay, a folder, okay, then paste it there. I think yeah, getting there, guys. So let's open this new folder. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Then we upload those two files inside. Okay, I think that's what they said. Okay, let's go and upload, guys. Drag drop. It's not, oh, okay. So let's go back, press the back button, guys. Then the two files are ready. So I will try to verify if this is going to work, because most times it doesn't work for me. So so let's try it if it's going to work. Oh, okay, as I told you, it's not going to work. It's actually work for some people, but for me it doesn't work. So that's the option 1. So the option 2 is to use the DNS. So let's go to our cPanel. We search for DNS. We have to add some record into our DNS. Then okay, I select the zone editor. Don't let me talk too much. Then we press the manage. So it's going to give us option to add it a TXT record. Sorry, guys. So and so let's locate what they ask us to do. Okay, the value is this. So we copy the value. So we are adding to TXT record. So the first one is the value of this, and we paste it here. And we go back and then copy the name. Then we also add the TTL, which is just 60. So just follow my guide, guys. And we add the record instantly. Then let's go for the second one. Copy. I keep doing this mistake. Add TXT record. So we had the name too now. Then we copy the next one, the last one to be precise. Oh my god. then we paste it, we change the TTL to 60 also, then we had the record. Okay, so now we've done that. Let's wait a bit before we go back into our website and check if that one propagates faster. Okay, let's scroll down a bit. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, we've clicked on the verify, boom. I think that's kind of fast and better. So what do you think, guys? So the verification is in process, then they are going to generate our certificate for us. So I'm still going to show you how you are still going to install the certificates now. So okay, now we are here. This is our certificate as you can see. So now let's go back into our home. Then we have to download this certificate also. So close that tab. Then our certificate, let me download the 3 inside the folder. I'll put it inside the specific folder. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to do it. So this is the 3 files. I've put it in a folder. Then let's go back into our cPanel. So I opened it with Notepad++. Okay, so now let's search for SSL in our cPanel. Now let's go on under manage SSL. There is another tutorial in case this 3-month stuff expire. There is another tutorial in the description below you can follow. So I select the domain that we are targeting. So now we just have to put the certificate there. So if it happens that it expire in 3 months, I'm going to show you at the end of the video. So you just have to keep following the process, the second process, to keep updating it. If you check the SSL security stuff, it says that it's going to expire in the next 90 days. So you have to follow the second tutorial to keep updating them. So let's select all. This is the private key though, so you just have to follow me. So the private key, you copied it also using, you open it using Notepad++. We paste it. Then now let's go for the carbon do. So we open that too. Open with Notepad++. I hardly call this thing. I keep doing mistake. So select all, then copy, go back, then we paste it too. So it's very easy that way. Then we install certificate. Very easy, guys. So it's going to say as you can see, our certificate has been installed. Then scroll down a bit, then these are green mark, it's there that we are ready to go. Let's press OK. So we will just go back to our website and enable the HTTP to see how it's going to look like. Let's go to our website, you scroll down a bit. Okay, enable HTTP. So let's see if it's going to work one hand, because some people don't work, some people don't. Oh, okay, it works ASAP. And let's reload some other pages too though. So let's scroll down, because as you can see we have 89 days left excluding today. So it's possible your own did not work. So if your own did not work, you just have to force the HTTPS. Okay, other tabs I open are sending me out because I'm now in HTTPS, so the session expired automatically. So it was in HTTP before. So let's reload other tabs. So okay, so let's go back. Then you select this to force the SSL, then you press save. You understand? It's very easy like that. So that's that, guys. If you want to update your SSL, if it expires in the next 89 days, you just have to follow the other tutorial to make sure you do it perfectly like that. So that's that, guys. You can subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.